we are headed to drive some exotic cars around a racetrack. We got together like 20 guys, all in the Miami area, and people that flew in here, and we just said, what can we do randomly on a Saturday that's gonna be a lot of fun? No pitching, no selling, just networking with like high net worth individuals. And we all decided to get inside some super fast cars. There's gonna be a professional there, don't worry, and rip it around a racetrack like 15 or 20 times and see who can spin out first.
Zero fun happening today.
I'm pretty excited. My heart's racing like a motherfucker right now, I'll tell you that.
That was the first lap.
That was insane, dude. That's quite the adrenaline rush, I'll tell you that. This is, yeah, I think everybody's honestly having a great time. This is gonna be a blast. All right, let's run it.
Ha ha!